colleagues, even if they are busy, we will still have the remaining number of senators, numbering 16, if at all. But I believe that they will still attend sessions because it's only 3 days in a week until September 28, a month's recess, and then we resume again before the break. Next year, we only have, I think, 5 weeks worth of session to pave the way for the respective campaigns of our colleagues. In total, we will have 70 session days, and if we are able to muster Thursday session days, then that will add another 23. Well, gaya ng sinabi ko, hindi naman sila palaging wala at mawawala. Dahil alam at nalalaman naman nila ang trabaho ang kailangan at patuloy nilang dapat gampanan dito sa Senado. We will be proposing it, but we have discussed it initially with the members. But we will be proposing it formally within this week.
The members are amenable to it?
Yes, so far. Hindi totoo yun. Hindi kailangang meron din sila sa araw na yon dahil sususpendihin lamang ng Senado ang sesyon nila para sa Webes at magre-resume lamang muli kami ng Webes with the theoretical quorum that existed the day before. The House also usually does that. When I was still a member of the House a decade ago. It will proceed. I don't consider them actually controversial. I do not consider them controversial. It will just have to go through the test of the legislative process and mill. I think one is with the committee and one is pending in plenary already. That has always been the tradition in the Senate. Palagi naman sa mahabang panahon, maski bahagi ako ng House pa noon, 1998 up to 2007, palagi naman talagang mas maraming bill na naipapasa ang Kamara kumpara sa Senado. Pero madalas ay yung batas o yung bersyon na pinapasa ng Senado, ang karamihan ay siyang nasusunod at kinakatigan ng Kamara dahil mas mahabang oras ang nagugol ng Senado para patalasin, pahusayin, linisin, at tiyakin na makakatulong talaga yon sa taong bayan. Again, as I said, it will not only be the LEDAC measures, but also the measures of the House and of the individual members of the Senate. Hindi lang naman kami tiga-stamp ng approve. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, nagpo-propose din naman kami. At marami ding batas na nanggagaling sa Senado at hindi pinanukala lamang ng executive branch. Ire-refer namin sa komite ni Senator Robin Padilla where it belongs, the Committee on Constitutional Amendments. Sa katunayan, nag-hearing na si Senator Padilla kaugnay nito kung maalala nyo, bago nagbuo ng special committee sa ilalim ni then Senator, now Secretary Angara. It's not a priority for me, and since it was not mentioned in the LEDAC, I don't think it's a priority of the LEDAC or the executive either.
Sir, why did you feel, or bakit inuna niyo po talaga siya dun sa speech ninyo? Charter change ba?
Actually, hindi sa inuna, bandang, sa hinaba-haba na sinabi ko, ikaw naman. Ano? Huwag malamig, darling. I'm sorry, but inuna? Hindi ko inuna, kinailangan lang banggitin dahil imbis na kulitin niyo ako ngayon pagkatapos, hindi maganda nang banggitin doon bago. Dahil tiyak ko, bahagi din naman yun ang tatanungin ninyo sa akin ngayon o makalawa.
Sir, what do you consider divisive?
I'm sorry?
What do you consider divisive?
Well, you've seen it, the cha-cha. That's why, in relation to the speech, I mentioned it right after that. For me, debate is never wasted. Debate, whatever debates, whatever words spoken, whatever information given during the hearings form part of the records and annals of the Senate and can be called again whenever it is needed or necessary. Because often, resource persons invited by the Senate in times past are no longer available or may not be available when it is heard again by the Senate in a future Congress.
Sir, hindi controversial ang death penalty and divorce bill, sabi niyo, but will they be prioritized?
No. No, it will not, but it does not necessarily mean that it will not be tackled. I'll give you an example. When I was chairman of the Committee on Higher Education, I disagreed with the ROTC, but I assigned it to a subsection every member of the Senate. All 23 of us now have their own respective principles and beliefs and will vote according to what they believe is right, regardless of the branding media or anyone else would like to make. As majority, minority, administration, or opposition, each bill will be voted upon by each member individually and always separately, as you have seen as well. And they will not be dictated. Only two took exception to the election of the new Senate President. After the vote by acclamation.
Making them still part of the majority as of now.
Again, it's not for me. Kayo naman, obvious na yun, di ba? Obvious na eh. Galing na nga sa inyo yan eh. Okay na? Sige na. Tuloy mo na, darling.
Also, the common sense is not common. Ano yung pinaghuhugutan natin yun, sir?
Hindi ba?
Dahil,
Hindi ba? Hindi ba natin nakikita madalas sa pamahalaan yon? Hindi ba natin nakikita sa mga desisyon ng pamahalaan yon? Hindi ng executive lamang, ha? Minsan ng Kongreso din, minsan ng ibang ahensya din ng pamahalaan. Kabilang na kami minsan sa nawawala nun. May mga pagkakataon naman talaga. Rason para baliktan naman natin yung pangailangang palaging isaisip at magkaroon nun.
Sir, sa budget, may timeline na po ba in mind and i-expedite ba yung pagkakas ng hearings simultaneously?
We will follow the schedule that will be agreed upon by the Senate, balancing the interest of each and every member to interpolate and debate the provisions, and following the timeline as well to make sure it will be approved before the end of the year and that the President will be able to sign it before the end of the year.
Sir, sa ibang issue lang, I just want to get your reaction. China and Philippines have reached an arrangement sa pagsasagawa ng resupply mission. Ang sinasabi po ng Chinese Foreign Ministry, kailangan i-inform muna ng Philippines yung China before conducting the rolling.
Version nila yon.
Po ito ng BFA.
Version nila yon. Ang importante ay nagkaroon ng kasunduan. Unawain ninyo, unawain natin. May kanya-kanyang domestic audience ang China at ang Pilipinas. May kanya-kanya sila siyempreng version at pananaw din. Kaugnay sa anumang pag-uusap o kasunduan meron sila. Sa panig at party ko, ang palagi kong papakinggan siyempre ay yung panig ng Pilipinas at hindi anumang panig pa. So anuman ang version, pananaw at paninindigan ng DFA kaugnay sa bagay na yan, yan ang magiging version, paninindigan at pananaw din ng inyong Senado.
Sir, however, hindi po kasi in-specify ng BFA kung ano yung arrangement. Do you think dapat...
I was not there. It's up for the DFA to clarify it, if at all. We were not there. But as best as we can, we will serve as a bridge, as I said earlier, hindi ako marunong kumanta, as a bridge over these troubled waters that we currently have in relation to the West Philippine Sea. Ayaw mo nun nagkasundo na, kahit pa paano. Kasi naman nag-aaway.
Sir, Senator Bingding lang. Napag-usapan niyo na, sir, kung ano yung acceptable for you na price tag?
Not yet. I think the recommendation of Senator Cayetano is forthcoming this coming August, or before the month of August ends. So hopefully we will have that. And we will make sure to make it made known and made public, not only to the members, but to our people as well.
Do you guys have a somewhat of price cap for the building?
No. Kasi unfair naman na mag-price cap kami, tapos hindi tapos, para lang namin niloko yung sarili namin, at hindi rin naayon sa common sense yun. Yung kailangan gastusin upang matapos, ayon nga kay Senator Nancy, maski na paano'y maganda at hindi naman pangit, pero kung kaya naming pababain, papababain namin yun. Pero ayoko lang pangunahan ko hanggang magkano. Yan ang sinisikap gawin ngayon ng komite ni Senator Cayetano.
So hindi parang
Bakit? Hindi ba kayo masaya sa ganito? Gusto ba talaga niyo lumipat? Medyo okay naman na. Okay, sorry.
yung dito lang sir, yung somewhat a new look or renovated portions ng
It's not. We spent very little on this actually. Most of this were only maintenance work and maintenance jobs and basically rearranging. So hindi ganun kalaki ang ginastos o gagastos ng Senado para panatilihin din to. Yung mga paintings na nakikita nyo, yung mga picture, hiniram lamang yan mula sa National Museum at sa CCP. These are merely on loan. Practice na rin to para sa atin pag lumipat tayo sa bago nating gusali, na wag na rin tayong gumasto sa painting, mula na rin sa kanila on loan. Sa dami naman kasi talaga ng taong dumaraan at pupunta rito. Di ba, magamit na rin nilang gallery to para ma-display. Yung mga painting lang naman nila nakatago lang sa bodega. Dagdag pa rito, nag-usap na rin kami ng National Museum at CCP na pangungunahan nila ang kompetisyon pareho sa mga dalubhasa at magagaling na mga pintor at sa mga amateur na pintor. Para yun na rin ang i-display natin matapos ng kompetisyon sa bagong building natin. It'll be thematic so that it will reflect the dreams and aspirations of the people with their Senate. Halimbawa, the Senate now and beyond. What to you is the Senate? What is the Senate and what should be done in the Senate and other topics? We will make it topical and the sizes will conform to the walls where we will place the paintings.
do you expect the chamber to be more productive?
We are always hopeful whenever we resume sessions that we will be. But we can only do our best, and I cannot make any promises. And I will not make any promises.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Dito talaga to para yung reflection, tama ba? Eh, but